Kick-Ass Kill Rabbit Tour 2018.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're recording.
Yeah.
Got some data?
Some data. Oh, so it got a little cold last night here at camp. Came out this morning, there was snow on the quads and the trails. It's gonna be a cold ride this morning.
Is this exciting?
This is so exciting.
You got me?
What made him laugh?
He asked me if I turned my heated greeps on. I said, yeah. I'd rather be too warm than too cold. Now get in the trailer and make me a sandwich, bitch.
I'm recording right now. I totally got that on camera, dude. Oh, man. Too much grip, huh? Get some. Get some.
Oh, got some.
I had that on.
What?
I see it. They see me rolling.
They hate it. Which one do you like the best?
That's a single. That's nothing. That one's pretty cool.
All right. You want to climb a hill?
I guess. How is it?
Fine.
Fine. I won't go down.
No?
Let's go this way.
That big one over there is worse than that.
So Dad's made a discovery out here at Bonanza Gulch.
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Goes down about 40 feet.
Really? Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, dead rat down there.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Okay, I just wanted to dab down on his knees.
Okay. You cold?
No. I just made a discovery. I wanted to see it. There's another one up there, standpipe.
You know how you get two blind guys to stop fighting?
Two black guys?
Blind.
Oh, hold on. Let's start over. How do you get two blind guys to stop fighting?
I just yell out. My money's on the guy with the knife. Me and Angie were up on one of our hikes up in the mountains. It's a new place we've never been. We camp on this meadow, and there's some range cattle up there. That's pretty cool. Over in the corner of this meadow, there's 3 bulls there laying down. They're playing with themselves. I'd never seen anything like it before. Angie was shocked. She says, "Is that normal?" I said, I've never heard of it. So we finished our hike that day, and I went home and Googled it. And it came up, it's actually a term. They call it beef stroganoff.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, I guess they say there's a first for everything. I finally ran out of gas in the desert, of all places. So now I'm waiting for my butthead brother to come back and get me because he didn't have his intercom on.
Oh, I think that's loud.
What are you shooting at?
Just a certain rock. I need some earplugs.
Huh?
You guys help yourself. Whatever's in this trailer is yours.
Bye, guys.
You ready for a Camp Kippers?
Getting narrower. Oh, yeah.
If it gets any narrower, it's going to stop.
We might be winching Dad. Oh, this is cool. He's back there watching.
Well, I don't know what you're going to do.
I'm going to go up. Oh. As of right now, I'm going up this canyon. Let me see. I think it gets better.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's all just mild. It's all mild, Dad. You might have to grab the front of his, Chad.
Yeah, hold on a second.
Did he get stuck already?
Yeah.
Send it.
Yeah, you need to come up on the left.
Oh. What's down there? Alive? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, really? That's a good picture.
Can't see anything.
Ow! My helmet works.
It's a natural spring. It's just water naturally from the ground. Here.
There's something else natural in there.
Go look. Put your hand in it.
I'm good.
Shoot. That thing's deadly.
It is.
Look at that old school thing.
My grandpa had that, passed it down to Dad, and then I got it. It's got PD wrote on the side of it, stamped.
Like an old police edition.
Mm-hmm.
Official police.
Yeah. So when I went down to get it on my permit, yeah, I had them run it. Detector. If you was to go around, you could find old pistols. Just
Never know.
never know.
Jars of gold.
Is this the office? Or kitchen? Oh, it's the kitchen.
That is.
Yeah, felt wrong.
I always loved the graffiti.
Really?
Wonder what this place used to be.
Old mining shack.
Yeah? Oh, wow. Yeah, it does.
That's a serious one.
Holy moly. Go check it out.
Chatty is talking to you.
Actually, go stand down there real quick.
Take a picture.
Not too far. Just, can you stand up once it opens up? Let's send the old guy down there. Watch your head. You will crack it. I mean, you can, but what's it look like? It's warm in there.
Yeah, dude.
Watch your melon.
Sounds hollow. Like he's walking on wood. Doesn't it?
Yeah, kind of. But you know what? I think that. He's got himself in a bad spot. Oh!